Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. In this dataset we're going to recover data quality, and that's described here as you can see on the screen. So you can always pause the video and have a quick read. Let's just get straight into it. First of all, we've got data going back to 2016. There's 1.3 million rows and there's just two tables. This one is discontinued, so one live table, open data. Let's have a little look in there. That's the sort of data you've got, the data set, the hospital and the recorded data item and what issues or otherwise there is. So you can see these columns here that it sort of uses to describe the issues. And page over one more, and you can pause that to have another look. That's that. These are the data sets: maternity, DID, CYPHS, A&E, and so on. And these are the data items. Rather than me reading them off, I'm just going to page down and let you have a look yourselves. So there's the first page of them. There's the next page. There's the next one. And that's all of it. So if you want to query this data to get a better sense of what's going on, give us a shout and we'll give you a login for a trial. Thanks.